and laughing.
Are we talking about Andy or the pink pig?
The pig. You
That don't
recognize
look
the
like
pig?
Andy.
That was version 3 too.
That don't look like Andy at all.
Tell me about the pig. What is, Brandon, what is that around his neck?
Gold chain
No, what's around his neck?
around his neck.
What's he wearing?
Well, this is already an accusation of generalization. Just because me and Brandon often have the pink pig doesn't mean we're responsible for losing it.
Okay.
You will have your day in court. Matt has the floor.
So what is he wearing around his neck? What is Andy wearing around his neck? The pink pig.
Yeah.
What's that pink pig represent?
I don't know, what does it represent?
Do we need to bring him as a witness? You can't question the defendant. You have to either bring him as a witness where he can testify.
Okay. All right, I'd like to bring Brandon.
And Brandon, you have the option to say, no, I don't want to self-incriminate.
Okay.
What happened to opening statements?
Well, that's what we're supposed to be doing.
Oh,
Matt's already screwed that up. Opening statements, what you're going to prove, how you're going to prove it, and legally, the executive committee is the judge.
All right.
And the jury.
It,
And the executioner.
That don't look like Andy.
all right.
I've seen it many times.
Looks like it's been photoshopped or something.
All right. We have a department mascot or something
Icon.
that we has been awarded to several individuals. Myself even once or twice. It came to my attention that this mascot has been liberated and taken off the premises using company resources. And
Not
I
good.
believe that the two people who are being charged were involved with
I
that.
think I know what it's about
Go
too.
back.
And I intend to prove that they misused company resources to avoid humiliation.
All right.
And shame.
Defendants, do y'all have any opening remarks?
So we're being brought up on charges for losing the pig?
Not losing.
It's conspiracy charges. That's the actual charges. That's what they're charging
Conspiracy
for.
against the pig.
Do y'all have any of your opening
I
statements?
Terrence.
have the pig last.
No, don't talk.
Ladies
talk
and
to the
gentlemen,
court.
your honor, your prestige.
That doesn't get you far.
What Matt's going to do here is he's going to say, yes, it is true that my co-defendant and myself often have the pig. And we would have motive
Yeah,
to want to get rid of the pig.
We would totally.
But what I will prove to you is that not only would we never want to take it, for we would both know that the circumstantial evidence, if that were to happen, would be disastrous.
Are you done?
Yes.
Supposed to say I'm finished. That's what it's-
Okay.
Oh, I'm not finished. I'm just getting started.
You call your first witness.
Come on,
Oh,
Brandon.
bad.
Now, Brandon, you have the opportunity at this time. You might want to talk to your lawyer if you want to disclose. Do you want to? Because you may self-incriminate.
Okay.
It's up to you. All right,
I go. Right.
Gentry, you swear him in. Swear him in on iPad.
Not the Zoom.
Can you bring up the Bible on Amazon?
Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
All right, Brandon.
Does it have a Bible app on it?
It does. Nothing I can say. Better not to
Do
rattle.
you recognize the picture?
Yes, I do.
All right. And what's that around Andy's neck?
The pink pig.
Is it just any pink pig?
It's the one and only, I guess.
And what does that pig represent?
Shame.
It means that you have been accused of and convicted.
Convicted of, not accused. You're past the accusation stage.
Yeah, you've been convicted of something, and the pink pig has been presented as punishment. And you can see by the picture that it does cause humiliation and shame.
Yes, I can.
All right. Where's the pig?
I have no clue. I didn't have the pig last.
Okay. Keep in mind.
Objection.
Keep it.
Clearly leading the witness.
You
just swore on the. No, I just asked where it is.
I did.
Wait a minute. Overruled. I'm going to give you a little latitude. Let's see where this goes.
Okay. I just want to clarify. You said you have no idea where the pig is. So you did take an oath where you're going to tell the truth.
Yeah.
And you could be found guilty of perjury.
Objection. My client is clearly aware of perjury laws at Kangaroo Court. This seems redundant.
Okay. Sustain.
So the co is also the representative.
Yeah, he's a lawyer too. So he's representing both of them.
All right. A week or two ago, I don't know the exact date, I'm sorry, we were constructing a new badge for people who forgot their badge. Do you remember us doing
Yes,
that?
I do remember. And I remember.
And it was
I remember exactly.
suggested that we put the badge inside the pink pig.
Mhm.
And I said, I went looking for the pink pig, and was asking Brandon. My natural instinct for finding the pig was to ask you where it is. Do you remember that conversation?
Yep, I do.
And what did you tell me?
Very clearly.
What did you tell me in that conversation?
I told you it would be funny if someone sent it off site. But I didn't have the pink pig last. I don't know who had the pink pig last.
No, you said it'd be funny if somebody sent it off site.
Yeah.
He named a specific name.
Well, I think I'd have to be a witness to tell my part of the story.
No, you can recall. You got notes. You can recall. I'll allow that to happen.
Okay.
It would be funny. How would somebody send it off site?
Say again.
What would somebody do to send it off site?
They'd have to send it through recall.
Through recall.
Yeah.
So,
Who has access to send stuff off to recall?
Operations.
And
Not me.
you don't,
I don't have access. No, I don't. Do I, Derek?
I mean, you can call me as a witness, but I don't
Call him
want
as a
to. I don't want to blurt out in Kangaroo Court.
So-
Okay.
do you package things to go to recall?
Place things in boxes.
You
I
place
do.
things in boxes.
Tapes normally.
Tape normally. So you have access to the boxes.
Yes, I do.
So you do have access to send things to recall.
Well, I can't sign off.
I didn't ask if you signed off. I just asked if you had access to send things to recall. Who else has access to send
I have
things?
access to put stuff in the box.
Right.
Matt, this is
Like
where
a
you
pig.
might want to object just to help you because he's digging in.
Hey, he's only wasting the executive committee's time. Not mine.
So, who else has access to put things inside the box?
Operations.
Why were you looking at Tyler? He's not in operation.
Operations this side.
Yeah, it is.
Don't try.
Technically,
Don't fluster
if we're
my
going
time.
on,
All right.
Yeah, your time's coming for Sam.
I'm ready to stand back there.
Do you have any more questions for this witness?
Only the statement is that it was not what that he said. That it would be funny. He said, "Oh no, the pig's not here. It's been shipped off to recall."
Well, why
and
don't
it's
you
bouncing
ask
back."
Objection.
That's why I said we
I'm
called
I'm about to overrule that. But you got to ask the question so that he can answer the question yes or no.
Did you tell me that the pig had been shipped off to recall? And then immediately,
There's a Bible on that app too.
and then immediately realize what you had done and recant your statement.
I don't remember.
That's a good answer. Though.
I really don't remember. It's been a while.
Matt, you want to push on that subject because he's gonna break here in a second. And let you know.
Do you know who put the pig in the recall box?
No, I don't. Y'all have proof that the pig is in the recall box?
Brandon, just
This you don't ask questions. You answer questions. Just let you know.
Okay. Yeah, I've never been to court. Well, I've been to court, but
I was gonna say.
it wasn't this kind of
You-
court. It
you
was
stay
more of
in
a
court,
traffic
Brandon.
court.
I'm underprepared. I did not expect Brandon to stand here and lie.
Oh.
Oh, now that's a serious. Oh man.
Because, like I said, I would like to be called as a witness in this, so I can.
You can play both roles.
Okay.
I'll allow that to happen.
Okay.
what?
Here we go.
If you wanted that, you should have appointed a lawyer.
He can listen. This is my damn courtroom. He can play both roles. I will not have that.
I'll tell you what. I mean, would you like to question me as a witness?
No, I don't need to.
That'd be smart. Do you have any more questions for this witness?
No.
Okay, you may step down.
Wait, whoa. Can I cross-examine the witness?
No, okay, you can cross.
Brandon,
Yes, sir.
did you send the pink pig to recall?
No, sir.
Now, what is the pink pig when you see it? How does it make you feel?
Down. Depressed.
Would you like
Lonely.
Would you like to get rid of the pink pig?
I think everybody would. Who
Now,
wouldn't?
how would you get the pink pig from here to say maybe your car without the camera seeing you?
I don't know.
And let me state this out. That anything you say in this case can be used in other cases. Go ahead.
No comment on that. I'm gonna plead the fifth. on it.
Is there a distance between this building and your car that is not under surveillance?
I don't know. Probably not.
You do know.
Probably not. There's probably, certain time frames.
No further questions.
You can cross back.
Yeah, because I would like to redirect, because, if you can put, you would be able to, if you chose, to put items into the recall box without being on camera.
Yes, correct. I'll be able to do that.
So,
Because you can't always see it.
Brandon,
Okay.
shut up.
I wish I knew how long ago.
You're on trial. Don't agree with the prosecutor.
I know, I'm sorry.
How long has it been gone?
I don't know.
Brandon.
I don't even know if it's gone, honestly.
Good.
That's the point.
Totally.
Y'all
I don't even know if it's
everything.
gone.
All right.
They know-
Generally, are you aware of who has the pink pig?
Yeah.
And this is just when you decided to stop being aware is when it disappears?
I'm not sure who had it. Nobody's had the pink pig in a while, if you think about it.
Yeah. It's been gone for a while. Sorry, I don't.
No more questions. All right, you may step down. You're still on the oath.
Okay.
The Apple, iPad, Bible, just let you know. Do you have any more questions? Any more witnesses?
No, 'cause that was it.
You want to call yourself as a witness?
Sorry, I'll call myself as a witness. That's okay.
This is where you object and you say,
Yeah,
object,
object.
overruled, shut up, let's go.
All I know is I just went to find the pig to put the badge into it.
And you have to talk in the third person, so you got to talk. You got to go. You got to ask yourself a question, and you got to say, oh yeah.
Cross.
Why do you think that Brandon had something to do with the pink pig being taken? All I know is I went to him looking for the pink pig, because that's where I logically believed it would be. And I said, Brandon, where's the pink pig? And I was told, oh, it's at recall. And it's not coming back. And that's... I do not recall it being a joke or a statement of any kind. Just as a, you don't need to keep looking for it. It's not here. He was being courteous to me, probably, helping me to stop looking for it. But in doing so, he admitted at least knowledge that the pink pig had been shipped to recall. If he didn't do it, I don't know. But he was aware of it being done.
Do you have any more questions for yourself? You may cross.
I have no questions for
Do you
the
have any
witness.
questions? All right, you may step down. All right, do you have any more questions? Do you have any more witnesses?
No.
All right, so you rest.
Yeah.
Defense,
I
you're up.
do. The defense calls Chris Ann Fisher.
Chris Ann Fisher, please report. Mr. Gentry. Oh, we know we didn't swear him in. Swear Matt in real quick. After the fact.
Other
no,
Matt,
no,
other
this
Matt, other Matt.
Because he was a witness.
I can't lie.
You promise to tell the truth.
And I promised that what I told was the truth.
You promise to tell the truth.
I do.
All right.
Hey, Christine, how are you?
It sounded much better earlier.
Do you have access to recall?
Yes.
Oh, the bus. I see the
Do
bus.
you know where Do you know where the pink pig is?
No.
Do you remember the last time you had received the pink pig?
I've never received the pink pig.
Now, to the best of your knowledge, is there any recall box that the pink pig would actually fit in its current condition?
The network restore box.
It's not full.
Is that it?
I don't know if it's full or not. That is not the network restore box.
But it will fit.
There's just an empty one.
One more question. Do you recognize the man in this photo?
I do.
Now, could you think of any reason why he might want to get rid of the pink pig?
I mean, everybody around here likes to play jokes, so maybe as a
So
joke.
you think it's feasible that anyone in here besides myself or Brandon might try and hide the pink pig?
Possible.
No further questions. Thank you, Chris.
All right. You may cross. There are many boxes for recall besides just the operations box. There's also one for each department manager.
Yes.
Okay. And recently, all the department's boxes came in the last few months, correct?
Yes.
And who was responsible for making sure that things got into and out of those boxes?
The managers.
But-
The department, whoever. Well, I know where this is going, but I'm waiting for the right question.
So Hubert was the one who coordinated this,
Yes.
I don't think he's even listening.
and from what you know of those boxes, would the pig fit in those boxes?
Yes.
And it could be done. Somebody could hypothetically put the pig inside that box without anybody knowing about it.
Yes.
Okay. No further questions.
Cross. Oh,
No.
you're not
No,
dismissed yet.
the defense rests.
Oh, you're resting?
Yeah.
Okay. Sam, you're free to go. You have no more witnesses that you want to call?
Nope.
All right, let's do closing arguments.
Okay. I did not contend directly that Brandon stole the pig. I did say that he was aware that the pig had been shipped to recall. And in such is part of a conspiracy to keep the pig away from people who deserve humiliation and shame. And while I agree that there's not much evidence to support this, because this can be done entirely off camera, perjury may be the only option to protect yourself. And that's what I see.
Let's see. All right, Giggles?
Well, it seems to me
That the pig is used as a tool to humiliate people. And we
I'm going to disagree right now. I'm going to use my executive privilege to say the pig is used as a tool to make sure that you don't do the same stupid stuff you did prior to getting it.
but I think it's safe to say
So it's a motivational tool.
It's a motivational tool.
it's used to humiliate someone into being a motivational tool.
No, I'm not going to say that.
Why? Let me ask you a question. Why did you receive the pink pig?
Because I did something stupid and you want to be humiliated.
You do that every day.
Well, it's true.
You don't have the pink pig every day. You have there's a level of
All right,
stupidity
let
that
me
goes to
change.
another
Let me
level.
change what I was saying.
Okay.
The pink pig is viewed by everyone in this department, maybe besides yourself, with negative connotation.
I've worn the pink pig before.
And you don't think it's negative connotation?
I know not to do it. I mean, it's like it's a badge of honor, badge of courage, saying that you've done stupid stuff.
I don't know what you're doing right now. I don't know why.
It's not.
Throwing that out there for you.
Anyway,
I'm trying to help you out, but you're not. You're fighting it.
okay,
Go
the
ahead.
pink pig is no. The pink pig is whatever. I quit. The pink pig is seen as a badge of humiliation. No matter
Andy
what
doesn't
you
seem
say.
humiliated in that picture. He seems very encouraged.
Well, actually,
and
he
like-
just seems humiliated with the pictures referenced.
What?
We gotta go with the sidebar.
The pig isn't
All right.
a
Well, my
child.
point is, I mean, I have no point. If you don't think it's humiliating. Whatever. I quit. The defense rests.
would like me to close for you?
No.
I can help you.
Everyone here knows that the pink pig is a badge of humiliation.
Besides
I don't know why you argue that.
I don't.
Well,
Kind of
move
ruins
past
that.
that
Kind of
one.
ruins my entire like.
Let's see.
You gotta move past
Why would anyone want to hide it if everyone likes it?
Let me see.
It's almost like the Wheel of Blank, right?
Everybody likes it when somebody else has
No.
it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is that Matt McHale through Losers Weekly has shown that he likes to humiliate people,
So you're saying this is a reverse?
and he misses the pink pig because he can't humiliate somebody. That's why he wants to know where it is. And I don't know why I'm involved, but he just wants to blame somebody. This is just
now
another
that's a
instance
compelling
of-
argument. I do like that.
Can't argue.
Because he likes to, you build a foundation. And
Yeah,
then
but my
you
foundation
exploit.
shot when you think the pink pig is a badge of courage.
It's a badge of honor.
Whatever.
It's honor.
It is not.
How do you get the pink pig?
By messing up.
Why did you mess up? When was the last time you got the pig?
Lapse of concentration. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I'll plead the fifth on that.
We forgot to do what we get paid to do, right?
Right.
So instead of firing you, I give you the pink pig. And it allows you to appreciate the fact that you still are employed here versus the alternative,
I get it.
right?
Yes.
I mean, Andy has worn it so much, he takes it home at night. You could have blamed it on him, because he had, I mean,
I have my own.
you know, there was things said, you know, what was this quote I had? Let's go home before we break something else. That's because of Mr. Michael Lee over here. Michael Lee has done more damage in his illustrious career than Brandon and you combined. So that's what you wanna build up. But I like the reverse psychology and the thing you put on Matt. That's excellent. That's great lawyering right there.
I think I like the pig better.
So, but you quit on that?
Yeah, me and Brandon have no idea where the pig is, and Matt has proved nothing beyond that.
You got anything to say, Brandon?
You covered it.
You're gonna trust him into your faith.
Yep.
Okay.
He summed it up.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go and can I hold your pad? I gotta write down I gotta talk to the executive committee and see what they're gonna say. Probably can't. Let me go see what they're gonna say. I'll be right back. I'm gonna deliberate real quick.
Thanks, sir.
I had a real week.
Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta go, y'all. It's 3:06.
One legal strategy
Overtime.
is to
call the box.
accuse as many people that even make sense to accuse. Let them figure it out. And
Like, that's gotta be
they
his
build your
fault.
case for you.
Yeah. Now, I've had people complain that they hadn't been featured on Losers Weekly either.
Oh no, I like Losers Weekly. I was getting to.
That was a good argument, though.
I was getting to that point, but Terrence wouldn't. He wouldn't give me a single.
Well, no, but
inch.
you were talking to a parent about a disciplinary
Yeah.
thing. And you
Cleaning
just,
guy got it.
No, he ain't got it. He doesn't even take dirt.
He took it home with it.
Because didn't we send stuff off the recall one?
One of my running backs already got me 10 points last night.
yeah, my main one got
Wouldn't
hurt.
that be funny if Mark and
Oh,
Gary
really?
arranged it?
Who'd you have, Sean Green?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Could be anybody.